Oppo A1 launched with face unlock feature. The Oppo A1 does not come with a fingerprint sensor, instead, it comes with facial recognition as a security feature. Chinese smartphone manufacturer has launched its new smartphone in China, which is named as Oppo A1. The Oppo A1 comes in cherry red, dark blue, and pearly white color options. The Oppo A1 features a metal unibody design and a 5.7-inch HD, 720 by 1440 pixels, display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It is fueled by an unknown, likely MediaTek chipset, processor. The smartphone comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which can be further expandable with a microSD card. The phone is juiced by a 3180 mAh battery. The Oppo A1 does not come with a fingerprint sensor, instead, it comes with facial recognition as a security feature. On the camera front, the Oppo A1 has a 13-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and an 8-megapixel camera for selfies and video chats. Besides, the smartphone will offer dual SIM support, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and GPS. The sensors include proximity sensor, light sensor, accelerator sensor.